All right, guys, you're welcome today. Here, once again, you're welcome to Crypto Home. And good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're connecting from around the globe. You're welcome to this platform. Today we're talking about something very exciting. Something that is the reason for our own action in trading. Everybody want to make profit, and for you to be in profit, for you to make money from trading or investing, you must learn how to buy low and sell high. Yes. So if you are not following this law of buying low and selling high, you blow up your account. If, for instance, you are trading and you have $10,000 account, and every time you are buying high and you are selling low, maybe you sell at 20% loss today. That is like you have 8,000 left. Before you know it, 5,000 left, 20,000 before you blow up your account. So today we are looking at how a guideline that will help you in order not to blow up your account and stay profitable every day. Because in trading, you must learn how to stay profitable. The first thing we look at this today is that before you enter any trade, you must have a reason for it. Why are you venturing into a particular trade? Why do you want to buy that particular token at that particular price? Is it the best price? And how long do can you wait for it to reach a certain target? So if you have defined your why, and your why meets all your criteria. For instance, most times we are trading, we look at a pullback of the price. You don't buy at the high price. You look at the pullback, and also look at some indicators indicating that yes, there is a reversal trend, a reversal pattern has been formed. So if you a pattern trading, you now discover that okay, this pattern has been formed, so good, it's about to reverse on the other side. So that will be a why for you to enter a particular trade, and that is the first thing you must define. In our subsequent videos, we will also explain the different patterns you can put together and also help you to make the best of it. And the second thing you should also consider is you set a target and a stop loss. You set a target and a stop loss. What percentage gain are you expecting from that particular trade? What percentage gain are you expecting? If your expectation is unknown, then anywhere can be, and most times it can reverse. Okay, I remember what happened to us at the early stage. Those times we bought into Ripple. We bought into Ripple, and before our very eyes, the profits were like, we bought at 400 Satoshi, and it went to like, 5,000 Satoshi. Over 15x of our money. And we're like, oh, looking at it and thinking it will keep going up, and it falls back. So stuff like this, you need to like set your targets and also set your stop loss. You set a stop loss in case it reverses back, because they have not seen a trader that have been in a consistent profiting every day. No, there is no consistent profiting in trading. But the rule is this: cut your losses and ride with your gains. So you must learn how to cut your losses short. If you are losing, let it not be more than 2%, 1%. And when you are in profit, you allow your profit to run, and that is how you make money. So if you don't understand how this thing is being played out, you'll be falling victim to the market. And that's why people try trading after a week or 2 months, 3 months, they say they blow up their account and say, man, this is bullshit, it's not working. But it's working for some others. So why it's not working for you? Because you're not playing by the rules. So learn how to set a target. Learn how to set a target. There's a difference between gambling and trading. Some gambles, for instance, you're expecting, there's always every market is in a circle. There's always the bullish trend and the bearish trend. Currently now you can see that the market has been going down, and I think they are kind of reversing, but the reversal pattern is still shaking. They have not fully formed, but I believe within a short while there will be an uptrend, just like what we had in early, I think it was in March. Yes, March, April, May was really an awesome time in crypto space. That was when the thing went up. All coins were like, jambulating. They were like filing everywhere. And when some people, anybody that bought at that time is now losing money. The market has not even recovered to that level. So that is what you should know, that there is always a target. You must set your target before you enter any particular trade. Then the third one is the fear of missing out. That's what we call the FOMO. The same thing applies to that. Like, when people are now, okay, I remember those times, was it Ripple? Yeah, Ripple were like, it has gone far. People are like, hey, you see a video like, buy Ripple now or cry or cry forever. Either you buy Ripple now or you regret forever. When you see that kind of thing, buy now or regret forever, don't buy in. Don't buy it. Those guys are just looking for who to dump upon. If you buy things, then you will be a victim. It happens to us one time when the masternode coins were like picking up. All the masternode coins were picking up, and I watched the video then, and we're like, okay, these coins have gone 2x, 3x, 4. Wow. Okay, look at what happened to chain coin. Yes, it was chain coin. A lot of guys were pitching that coin, buy now, it's gonna go to $100. You buy now, buy now on credit. It was from 3 cents, to $1, $2, 3. Guys were pumping their money, and the thing crashed on people. And those guys that bought early sold. So anytime the market has moved, you see 2 to 3 green candle firing, just hold on. It will come back again. One thing you should understand in trading, that there is always another chance, guy. There's always another chance. There's always another time, another chance for you to make money. So if that you didn't join a particular coin, there are many others. Now we have over like 6,000 or 6,000 markets, or 100 and something coins there in the market. So learn how to strategize and join for a reason. Don't FOMO. Don't fall into that victim. Don't FOMO. If a particular coin has gone, look for another. Now the fourth strategy is for risk. You need to have a risk management platform. It is better for you to be making 2% or 5% per day than you make 100% a day and tomorrow you lose 200%. Consistency is the game. Consistency is the game in trading. So when you are not consistent, you lose money. So, and that is where the risk management comes to play. And that risk management is all about, you understanding yourself, not being sold out to emotions and all that, having a trading plan and setting your target, having a portfolio management and all that. So you need to have a proper risk management. If not, you will not succeed in your trading, because a lot of things are in place here. Remember that trading is quite different from investing. An investor most times don't consider all this. You can invest for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. That is good. If you are that kind of person, you don't really need all these things. So you just like invest your money, and you be waiting until the thing gets to kind of 20x, or just like what happened to Bitcoin and other coins early this year. And Bitcoin is still soaring, just like now a new all-time high. So let's look at this psychology of the markets. There's something you should understand in the market, that every market follows the same pattern, irrespective of the market you are in. Even if you are trading in Forex, even if you are trading in stocks and all that, every market have the same pattern. Now the pattern is this: market moves in waves. They are in circles. So every market follows the same pattern. It goes up and it comes down. If you don't understand this should be the back of your anything. Even when you are investing, you understand that this thing goes in waves. So if you don't understand the patterns, then you will fall you fall victims to the markets. For instance, look at these charts. Look at these charts. When a market is so low, nobody is interested in a particular market. People are like, oh, disbelief. They don't value the coin. They don't. Well, nobody's talking about the coin. And suddenly it start picking up. Okay, some whales will just be picking up the coin, accumulating it at over stage. Now, this is where it comes in. When you identify a trend, although I believe or to talk more of this in our subsequent videos, but look at what happens to this coin now. This is virtually how most every coin plays out. Check out every coin, you see something like this pattern. Now a coin gains a hope, and some small group of guys might believe in it, and they start pushing it, and they will like start making profits, and wow, people start believing in it. And when you have come to this optimism, people like, oh wow, this is a great idea. They start pitching it. Hey, to the moon, Ripple to the moon, Arc to the moon. People start buying in. Now anybody that is buying here is hoping that this thing keep on moving. Why people that bought at the disbelief side already selling? They already cutting their profit here. They're already getting their profit here, and it gets to the top, and what happened? It start reversing. And when it start reversing, if you don't have a target, or maybe you bought at this edge, at this peak of the trend, you'll be thinking, okay, it will still bounce back again, and it consolidates here, and you'll be watching, still bounce back, and it start pulling back. You start getting angry. Oh my God, why me? Why? So if you don't understand this circle, you fall victim. Imagine if you bought here and the thing is pulling back against you. That means you are blowing up your accounts. So that is some persons will allow it from here until when they have lost like 50% to 60 to 80% of their account before they can panic and sell. And what do you expect? After you panic and sell, the market can go down again and start another cycle. So this thing happens many times. It happened to all of us when we are starting trading, but finally we get to understand how this thing is being played out. So you now learn your strategy, and now you are not falling victim into it. So that is essence of this training, that you guys must undergo training if you want to be making consistent money in trading. So subscribe to this channel, because we'll be releasing some powerful tips and strategies that have proven over time, that has helped us, to be making great profit in our trading. So you can see how this is. You can see another leg is being starting from here again, and it moves out. So this is how market goes. This is how every market is being played out. So I believe you guys must have catch one or two things from this video. So for more tips and trading signals, because we'll be releasing some signals, and also we are packaging some wonderful free course for you guys that you can undergo, and you'll be able to understand the whole patterns and be a successful trader and help yourself and family. So right now I want to say thank you, but subscribe to this channel and for subsequent videos and training, and you'll be happy that you did. So I want to say thank you for your time once again. God bless.